Beautiful and spacious living area comes up with an platform, the white goods is taken care of, and this is the spacious room of the house, the most spacious room. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to House A. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Trifecta Vento by Trifecta Projects Private Limited, which is located in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project, so let me show you the surrounding of our project. So basically I'm standing on the main entrance. So this will be the main entrance of our project. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here and you can have a look. The construction work is in full swing. The marketing office is operated from the clubhouse of this project, and right over here is the grand clubhouse of the project. Now, before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 12.5 acre of land parcel consisting of 3 high-rise towers, each rising from basement ground and goes up to 24 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies with different variants. Now let's discuss about the amenities part. This project offers you 93 plus world-class amenities like of a grand clubhouse which is just behind me with 50,000 square feet, where you get swimming pool, open space to relax, kids play area, multi-purpose court and many more amenities. Now we'll be discussing about the location part, and our project is located bang on Huskur Korathi Road in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance of our project, and basically just in front of me is the Huskur Korathi Road. And this road on the left hand side will take you towards Huskur, and the opposite side road will lead you towards Korathi. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity part. So basically you can connect to Wipro Korathi in just 2.7 kilometers from the project, and Harvest International School is 700 meters away from the project. So now let's have a look at your 2.5 BHK model flat of 1230 square feet super built up area. And just behind me is the main entrance of the house. Let's enter towards your beautiful and spacious living area. So this is the main entrance of the house where they are giving you the digital door lock for your security purpose. And this will lead you towards your beautiful and spacious living area. Comes up with anti-skid flooring over here. And this is the spacious living area where you can do your own interior, and this interior is done for your reference, where you can add up the sofa set, teepot over here, and the TV unit exactly in front of the sofa set. Now about the second part, that is your dining space. And here's your beautiful dining area with a beautiful interior, and even this beautiful dining space, that is a dining table, is added. You can add up a round table over here, the horizontal table, and this dining area has easy access towards your balcony space. And right over here is the balcony. Comes up with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, iron railing as well, and you can add up your own decors. Now with the easy access to your dining area, right in front is your kitchen area. So once you enter towards this kitchen area, again it comes up with anti-skid flooring, and the beautiful interior is done for your reference with the platform, the white goods is taken care of, and even with the cabinets. The enclosed dry balcony over here, which has the sink area, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and even the provision for your machine is provided right over here. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space, and firstly we'll be moving towards your 0.5 bedroom, and this is the entrance for your 0.5 bedroom. So once you enter this bedroom, you can have a look. They have converted this 0.5 bedroom into a kid's bedroom, where they have added this bunk bed right over here, and the space is managed very well. Right this side is the wardrobe space and a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Even the bookshelf is right here. You can add up your study table for your kids. Now just beside this bedroom and in the center of the house is the common washroom. The common washroom which comes up with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting and the sink area. Moving towards your bedroom number 1, and your bedroom number 1 is right over this side, and again this bedroom comes up with vitrified flooring, the bed space which is in center of the room, and a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Additionally, if you want, you can even add up the wardrobe right in front. So this was all about your bedroom number 1. So now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, which is on the other side of the house. Right behind me is a master bedroom, but before that, let me reveal all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are at thehousey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on housey.com. Now about this beautiful cozy master bedroom. So once you step inside this room, you can have a look. This comes up with the wooden flooring, and this is the spacious room of the house, the most spacious room, with the master bed in the center of the room. Just behind me is the window for ventilation and lighting purpose, where you can even add up your work table over here and even the TV unit space. About your dressing table, you can add up your dressing area right over here with the wardrobe. And yes, this bedroom comes up with a private washroom, that is the attached washroom right over the side. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So everyone, this was all about your 2.5 BHK sample flat at this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Sarjapur location. Have you checked another project in Sarjapur location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and like, follow, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.